Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from an investment property refinance via Navy Federal CU full guide step. To withdraw from an investment property refinance with Navy Federal Credit Union, begin by assessing your eligibility for refinancing. Ensure that your investment property meets the necessary qualifications set by Navy Federal. Gather all required documentation regarding your current mortgage, property value, and income statements. Contact Navy Federal's customer service or visit their website to explore specific refinance options available for investment properties. Schedule an appointment with a loan officer to discuss your refinancing goals and the withdrawal process. Provide the loan officer with the necessary documentation for the refinance application. Discuss the terms of the refinance, including interest rates, loan duration, and any fees involved. Request information about how much equity you can withdraw from your investment property. Once the refinance terms are agreed upon, complete the application process, ensuring all information is accurate. After your application is submitted, await the loan officer's review and approval. Navy Federal will conduct an appraisal on your investment property to determine its current market value. After the appraisal, you will receive a loan estimate outlining your new loan terms and the amount you can withdraw. Review the loan estimate carefully and prepare any questions you may have for your loan officer. If you agree with the loan estimate, move forward with the next steps to finalize the refinance. Sign all necessary documents to complete the refinancing process. Once the refinance is finalized, the funds will be available for withdrawal. Understand the tax implications of withdrawing equity from your investment property. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to ensure this withdrawal aligns with your overall investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.